Hi, John John. Hi. Nature girl. Come. Why? I need you to come. Daddy wants you. Look at Miss. You see how far you at? Could you come, please? John John. Naya. Naya. Okay, I'm going. Bye. Hey family, welcome to another of our videos. In this one, we're going to be sharing our gardening adventures with you, as well as some of what we've been getting up to. As you know, our little princess Naya is always here with us, and you'll see her throwing little tantrums, especially when we ask her to come and leave the bushes or whatever she gets up to. With that said, family, I hope you full enjoy this video, and we look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Wow.
Yeah man, this are the pack char right here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, busting seeds. So one more seeds of bust or so. That'll be the bell boy tomato. And this right here is the all season cabbage. You know, I'm not seeing a seed that come from the cherry tomato yet, but they're coming soon. And this is the scallion right here. I'm not seeing none of bust yet, but give them time, you know. Give them some time.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Look at my garden. It's coming. That's a potato. Peppers. Peppers. Peppers all in this row. This bed, I think we have cucumbers. It's coming up. Cucumbers. And I think the other beds, they're empty. There's some weed coming up. Those little weeds, those little troublesome weeds. And then he did put some carrots here. And beet. These are the beets. Yeah, these are the beetroots. So the beets coming up.
Few moments later.
Here we go. Look at this. Look at my peppers. Peppers, peppers, peppers. Look at peppers. Peppers. See? So nature gifts us with things, man. Look at this. This is my cucumber. So everything is like popping. Everything is like coming right now. I saw a really massive okra. Look at that. Look at that okra. Look at that one. Really big. And the corn, they're shooting as well. Look here. Corn. So everything's coming. The garden is looking lovely. So we're now on to garden bed number 2, and this is where Rasta is removing the weeds. I don't know where Rasta finds his energy, but he started this literally a few hours ago, and look how far he's come. I don't know. I just don't know. He's on the last leg of it. Look at that. This man is just like an Energizer bunny. He just keeps going, so I just leave him to it. Yes, Naya? You want me to open the door? Okay, I'm coming. Rasta, are you an Energizer bunny?
I'll feed the body right, you know.
Yeah, Energizer bunny, boss.
No, I'm not a bunny.
You're no bunny?
No.
Yeah, what?
Human being a physically fit.
Yeah, human being, I man being a physically fit.
Yeah.
Alright, bossy. Alright, so me take out the bunny thing out there. The Rasta no bring no bunny thing in anything. Alright, Rasta. I thought this was my garden bed that I was gonna do.
Can you do do it.
Of course, me can do it.
Well, do it.
Me not do it because you always a do it.
If someone not do it, you ain't gonna get done.
All right, I'm here to do the reaping. Look there. Look how much weed, Rasta weed out. Look at Naya with her odd shoes. Naya have an odd slippers. I'm gonna go weed out this garden bed in a minute as well. Look how fast the things them grow. Yes, baby? Huh? That is sprinkler system. See the okras them there? Yes, baby? Okay, I'm coming. I'm gonna open the door. So it's Sunday, and on Sundays we tend to do a lot of flower gardening. And on this particular Sunday, I'm focusing on my Monstera plant. I mean, this plant, it got caught up in the massive freeze over that we had in December time. However, here in Texas, we do not experience harsh winters, but in the past winter, we did have a mini freeze where I came outside and overnight all my plants were like icy, really, really frozen. So I did lose this plant in the winter, but Rasta managed to resurrect it in a mini greenhouse that he constructed towards the back of the house. So now my Monstera plant is flourishing, and I'm now separating it so I can have a small Monstera on the inside. I tend to like to have my indoor plants. However, I always kill them. So now I'm doing the things that I'm told to do, which is like getting a saucer, etc. So my plant can drain and not to overwater, or to make sure that the temperature in the house is always at a steady so my plant can flourish. With that said, family, I hope you full enjoy this video. Let me hear from you in the comment section. I know you like the nature videos because I've been reading your comments. I can always bring on more nature videos, as well as I'll be bringing on my herbs videos, as well as I have construction videos. It's just so overwhelming, family. And besides that, you know, I have a business to run. I have a family to look after. I have a little one to look after. And it's absolutely challenging. With that said, let me hear from you in the comments. Let me know how you've been getting on with your plans. Let me know if you've been doing any projects, any building projects, whatever it is. Until my next video, I hope you're having a hopeful day. Blessed love, Empress Yuda.